Welcome back to my channel. As you can see here, I have some Chanel goodies. And they're taking note, you guys, because look at this packaging. So I have this little note card right here with a note from my essay along with my receipt. So I like that I could take her little note card out along with the receipt and reuse this as stationery. I love that. Next up, we have my samples I received. And first, we have Comet. This fragrance is sweet, but it has that Chanel DNA, and it's giving me all the things, y'all. So you gotta check this one out. And the fragrance is due to launch in May. Next up, we have this Coco Mademoiselle box. And in here, I have this beautiful satin pouch that says Coco Mademoiselle on the front that I can put my makeup and things in. And as you see, it has beautiful sequins and silver. And I am so thankful that my client advisor sends me all these beautiful goodies. Look at the zipper pull. It even has the Coco Mademoiselle Chanel bottle on there. And inside, we have this cream lining. It feels to be a polyester material. And again, we have that lovely satin on the outside. It's gorgeous. Look at that. So let's get into what I purchased. And can we admire this packaging once again? You guys, it's so bright and vibrant and perfect for Mother's Day. Look at the nice little matching ribbon. Y'all. Okay, Chanel, you did it. You did your thing this time. You trying to catch up with Dior, huh? So, first I see more samples falling out of this package. And we have the Sublimage La Creme, which I love this, you guys. I have plenty samples of those. Next, another sample of Comet, you guys. Again, this one, it has the right name, you guys, because it's out of this world. I don't think I have anything that develops like this. So we have the little fragrance sample right there. And then right on the other side feels to be something metal in here. And it feels like a metal star. And yep, that's exactly what it is. Makes sense. It goes with the whole theme. And next up, we have another heavy one. It comes in this black and gold pouch here. And look at the beautiful CCs on the front. And this is, ooh, something from the Sublimage line. Ooh, a mirror. Look at that. Now, y'all know I collect mirrors. Do y'all remember all those beautiful, colorful mirrors that I collected from the Codes Colors collection? So you know I love this. Next, let's get into what I purchased. First up, I got this eyeshadow in 220 Blanc Pearl. It's a satin finish, comes in the traditional velvet pouch from Chanel. This shade here is a top coat, but has this beautiful iridescent finish to it that leans pink. And next up, I got this shade 222 Jade Facet, which is a metallic. Look at that green, y'all. Y'all know I'm going to go for a green, don't you? So if you don't already know, Chanel has reformulated their single eyeshadows. Here is what will be launching on the website next month. I am told all of these will be part of their permanent line. Look how vibrant and pretty these are. I know I'm getting more. And next, let's get into the second package I have here. And don't worry, I will swatch everything that I purchased for you as soon as I share these items with you. And first up, more goodies, y'all. We have this perfume bracelet with the gold band around it. Next in here, I have a sample of the Lift serum, which I love. The next sample in here, ooh, one of my favorites, the Love Volume de Chanel mascara. I love this. I've talked about this for many, many years. It is still one of my go-to mascaras to have. And next we have another sample. This one is from Chanel Beauty. And we have inside of here another bracelet. This one has that gorgeous pink and orange from the gorgeous packaging. So that's nice. And let me see if there's anything else. Oops, one more sample of the Lift cream. Finally, here's what I got, y'all. I got the new BEIGES Healthy Glow Sun-Kissed powder. It's in that standard beige packaging. I picked mine up in the shade Medium Coral, which, y'all, look at this. This is definitely my shades when it comes to a highlighter, bronzer, and blush. So even though I have all of these items in my collection already, I decided to pick this one up because it's all in one. I can have my highlighter, my bronzer, and my blush all in one component when I'm traveling instead of having 3 different items. These powders come in 5 different shades, and here is that medium coral on my skin tone. It's perfect, you guys. These colors are already colors I love on my complexion, so this was right up my alley. And next, here is that metallic eyeshadow in 222 Jade Facet. I love this green. It's beautiful. Lastly, we have that satin color in 220 Blanc Pearl. Here is both eyeshadows swatched. Definitely getting more of these for sure. So that's it, guys. Here is an overview of all the items that I picked up and all of those beautiful samples from my lovely client advisor. Comment down below if you guys picked up anything from this collection or if you plan to pick up anything. I love to know. And I would love it if you hit that little subscribe button down below. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time T uploads a video. Share this video. Like this video. Y'all, you know the drill. Do all the things to keep this going. And as always, you guys, thank you so, so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.